Explosions were reportedly heard over an Iranian city, with sources attributing them to an Israeli attack. However, Tehran has downplayed the incident, stating that it has no plans for retaliation. This response appears to be aimed at preventing a broader conflict in the region. An Iranian official speaking on condition of anonymity was quoted by the Times of Israel as saying, "The foreign source of the incident has not been confirmed. We have not received any external attack, and the discussion leans more towards infiltration than attack." The statement followed reports of Israel conducting a missile strike targeting an air defense unit in its south, resulting in material damage. Iranian media and officials described a series of small explosions, attributing them to Iran's air defenses, intercepting 3 drones over the city of Isfahan. Interestingly, they characterized the incident as an attack by infiltrators rather than explicitly attributing it to Israel, thus suggesting a reluctance to retaliate. An Iranian official informed Reuters that there were no intentions to respond against Israel for the incident. The foreign source of the incident has not been confirmed. We have not received any external attack, and the discussion leans more towards infiltration than attack, the official stated. Israel remained silent regarding the incident. However, in the days leading up to it, Israel had indicated its intention to retaliate against Iran for the strikes on Saturday. These strikes marked the first direct attack on Israel by Iran in decades of proxy warfare that has escalated across the Middle East, including during the 6-month battle in Gaza. The two long-standing adversaries had been on a collision course towards direct confrontation since an Israeli airstrike on April 1, which targeted a building in Iran's embassy compound in Damascus, resulting in the deaths of several Iranian officers, including a high-ranking general. Israel had pledged to respond to Iran's unprecedented weekend attack, raising concerns of further escalation in a region already strained by months of conflict in Gaza. Despite calls from allies to exercise restraint, the region remained on edge amid the potential for escalating tensions. The US and Britain announced Thursday that they were imposing a new round of sanctions on Iran. The move comes as European Union leaders meeting in Brussels vowed to ramp up sanctions on Iran to target its drone and missile deliveries to proxies in Gaza, Yemen and Lebanon. Regional tensions have increased since the start of the latest Israel-Hamas war on October 7, when Hamas and Islamic Jihad, two militant groups backed by Iran, carried out a cross-border attack that killed 1,200 people in Israel and kidnapped 250 others. Israel responded with an offensive in Gaza that has caused widespread devastation and killed more than 33,900 people, according to local health officials.